Well, it's been 1 week since the J&J, that's the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, has been back in use here in Ohio. And one infectious disease expert is weighing in tonight on the potential adverse reactions. NBC4's Matthew HERCHIK shares what local doctors say about the recent pause and what should people do if they experience any of those reactions.
Doctors say the pause was the right thing to do given the information at the time, but they also say the data shows it's still a great vaccine, and if anyone does experience side effects from it or either of the other two vaccines, there are resources available to report them.
With the J&J pause, it should be apparent to everybody that both the CDC and the FDA prioritize safety.
After 15 cases of a severe blood clot were identified in Johnson & Johnson vaccine recipients, new questions are being raised about those with adverse reactions.
The risk of having a bad outcome with COVID is much, much higher than any type of potential vaccine side effect.
So what steps should those who experience rare cases take?
Our country has a very robust mechanism in place for monitoring of any safety signals.
Ohio Health's Dr. Joseph Costado points to two mechanisms for reporting adverse reactions. First, the vSafe app. That connects individuals to the CDC for 1 week following the injection. The second, the VAERS website. It allows anyone to report post-vaccine symptoms. But questions remain about which symptoms should be expected.
Most of the immune responses are things like a low-grade fever, flu symptoms,
and those that should sound the alarm.
Clearly, if you're having something that is acute or puts you hospitalized, it should be reported.
While there are steps you can take to reduce your risk of reaction,
we want you to be well rested, take your prescription medications no matter what they are, don't miss any meals, stay well hydrated.
Experts say both the vaccines and the system are working.
Those processes are still up and running. We need to continue those. We need to learn from them.
Anyone who gets vaccinated should get a vSafe information sheet, which has a QR code that you can download the app by simply scanning on your phone. You can log any symptoms there. The VAERS website, Dr. Costado says, has been around forever and is nothing new, but the CDC monitors both of those resources, and it was that process that led to the J&J pause. Local for you, Matthew HERCHIK, NBC4.